He did not. He purported to sign. I don't know where FUFA derives the powers to sign commercial contracts, because these rights belong to clubs. And these clubs came together in their association called the Uganda Super League Limited and sold the rights for broadcasting to SuperSport. We've taken these issues in the most civil manner. In agreement, we agreed that we had an arbiter, whereby in case of dispute, we would go back to government and the Minister of State for Sports would direct, looking at the agreement and the circumstances. In these purported disputes, the Minister has directed that all of us have got to abide by the agreement that we signed.